Hey guys, so today I'm playing Besom. I hope you like my new intro. And I'm trying to get some royal jelly on my eyes. Okay then. Let's go get some pollen from dandelion field. Why do I feel so cold? I finally have my own intro. I'm so happy. It took me quite a while to upload that, as I need to edit it. Yeah. My bees are literally everywhere. So hard to get the boost. Oh no, I just not saw a buff. Triple! Yay! Oh. Oh, almost getting 25. I really need to. I need to get better pollen holder and more bees. Yeah. Oh. I need to get a cool bee so I can go to the blue clubhouse. No, I could forget that. This pulsar is not the best. Two of my bees are sleeping great. What service is that? I need to save up. I need 200 honey. Well, I think I can buy one of those extras. Wait, where are all my bees? Are you serious? I only have like about 5 with me. How am I gonna defect? Okay, they're coming. Honey, yay! Oh, flu's coming. I need to blow my nose. Be right. Okay, I'm done blowing my nose. Oh my gosh. My container is full. Oh. God. I'll be right back till it's done. Okay, the pollen's done. Now let's go buy myself a new backpack. I feel so cold. Let me get the more pollen done with this one. This guy with a big neck. That used to be mine also. Okay, almost done with this. Boom! Almost done. Yeah, nailed it! Now let's go and kill a spider. Oh. Oh my god, the spider. Come at me. What was the sound? Whoa, this guy has a pen now. Cool. Ooh, what's this? Who's this guy with the... I guess I'm like the second one robot. Oh. Random people. Random people, look at me. I can't spell now. Oh, I'm trying not... Oh, sorry if I need color and he sneeze. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. Let's go buy myself a backpack. Oh, bless me. Wait, I want to explore something first. What's this? Oops. What is this? What's that? Oh, I think that's the other thing. Oh, I get royal jelly friend on there. No, this is not where I wanted to go. Let me go. How stupid am I? Lol. Come at me, Bill. I ain't afraid of you. R.I.P. Rest in pieces, my friend. Chimo Reynolds. Let's go up and buy something. What? I heard something. Meh. By the way, on my previous video, I showed the secret that's royal jelly. So yeah, you can go and check it out. I might link it in the description later. Nice. Now, let's go and buy something. What can I buy with 117? Oh, come on. I'm gonna buy these. Ooh, mega jug. That's quite a lot. Wait. Let's see what else I can buy. Pro Bear. You don't look pro to me. Wait. What? What's that? What the? Is that a secret? Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I just found another password. What have you been hiding from me, Pro Bear? Speak up! Well, oh my god. You can go through here. Is this a maze? It's a maze. Whoa. What's this? I'm so curious. Yes, I found royal jelly! Oh my god, yes! Okay guys, you just need to walk past this yellow bear. Go to this corner, keep on walking, turn, and you will find some royal jelly, which I just walked into. What's this? There's an odd line there. What's that? What's that? This part's where I love exploring. Leads to nothing. So yellow, I can't even see anything. What's this? What's this? What's that? My bees are walking through the walls. Looks weird. What the? Oh my god, it's so bright. I can't see anything. I'm walking in circles. I think that's all about the maze. Wow, never realized I could find it. Actually, I could find. Oh, I can hide under here. Hi, bear. Never realized that I could actually find another secret spot. Oh, okay, let's go. Let's go get some white pollen. Oh. Of course, the mantis over here. Oh, honey. That's my honey. You ain't getting no. Rejected. Can my bees kill the mantis? Ouch! Oh my god, oh my god. Run, run, run. Don't, don't, no, don't, don't, don't. Don't, don't, no, no. Oh my. I knew we were so high. Mantis. 19 hours, are you crazy? Well guys, gotta go. Bye! Guys, this is another clip. I forgot to I accidentally closed it. I completed one of the Black Bass quests. So give me a jelly. 35,000. Let me go ask for some more. Yeah. Yes. Spring of Time. What is that? Strawberries. So many strawberries. Okay, I bought this container. Let's go and buy some. Let's change one of my things. I have royal jelly. Please be a blue one. Blue. Yes! I got a freaking Buckley! There! Yes! Oh my god, yes! Oh my god. Yes! Yes! Oh my god, yes. This is what I always wanted. Stop making honey. Let's go check out the blue thing. Let's go check out the blue hub. Blue hub. Here I come. Finally can get a bubble. Yeah. Yes, I finally can enter the HQ. Finally. Finally. I will get one more royal jelly up there. Yes. Open. Are you serious? I need to buy 3 million plus for this bubble wand. Oh, I'm so gonna be so mad. What's this? Later. Up here, there's some royal jelly. I saw it. I think I see the royal jelly. Yes, royal jelly. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy. Let's enter this bottle. What's this? Whoa. That's cool. Discover 20 bee types. 7 more to go. Let's go and change my bees. Make honey. Please be something new too. Oh my god, did I get hasty bee? Oh, it's the same. It's not new. Wait, it is new. Oh, it's very fast. Wait, I need to see this. I don't have a hasty bee. It's new. Ooh. This is awesome. Well guys, this is the extra clip. Bye.